Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today our recipe is Chinese stir-fry beans with XO sauce. So first, we're gonna heat some oil. You can use canola oil, vegetable oil, or any cooking oil that is available. And then we will add some minced garlic. And then we will gonna add our beans when our garlic turned into brown or dark brown color. And when your green beans are already half done, it's time to add around 2 to 3 teaspoons of XO sauce. So this is the brand that I used. I used a Lee Kum Kee brand XO sauce. So I remember when I was in Hong Kong, I used to make this from scratch actually. This XO sauce is made of dried scallops. After adding the XO sauce, actually you just need to mix that well and then it's ready to serve. I hope you like this recipe, and if you happen to make this exact one, please comment down below. And if you are not subscribed yet, please do subscribe and click the notification bell. I really appreciate your support. Thank you.